Hey, welcome back everybody. Brief intro right here. As you saw, it's Eastern Shore, Maryland. This is back in September of last year. But I'm not giving you the location. You gotta figure that out.
It's a good fish. Yeah, nice bass. Not really what I'm after, but still nice to get a good fish for the day. All I caught up to this point was about a 6-inch white perch. Come here, you. Come on. There we go. That's a good bass, man. That's a nice little bass. Little chunk. I'm gonna weigh her, actually. I'm gonna guess and say she is, I don't know, a pound and a half? Let's see. You are not 13 ounces. Come on, scale. That's more like it. 178. Not bad. Not bad at all.
It's a solid little chunk of bass.
Not what I'm looking for, but thank you all the same.
Not that long, but nice thick little
Definitely
fish.
broke up some of the monotony.
Gorgeous picture here as well. Absolutely beautiful.
There you go. Alright, you. Thank you.
There she goes.
There you go. That bass was out on the flat, so he wasn't real tight to cover.
See the lure on the top left-hand side. I'm pretty sure that's the species that I was looking for. The snakehead bit short, I set the hook early, one of those two. Couldn't get her to come back. Tried my best.
What was that?
Couldn't get her to come back.
Don't even know. I don't know if that was a snakehead. I don't know if it was a bass. I wonder if the camera was on for that. Fish on. Big perch. Look at that. That's a nice perch.
Actually, this area is very good for the perch running the spring.
That's a nice perch. That was a hit I felt.
Here's what we're looking for.
Not bad. Alright. Camera just died. Got a fish on. Ow! No! Back in the net. This one ain't playing, man. It's serious.
It took a while to actually draw the hits from the snakehead. And now, if you don't know anything else about snakehead, the real battle begins once you have them in the boat.
These things are so crazy, dude.
They are a handful.
I can't, he won't open up for me to get the pliers in his mouth, man. This fish is so smart, man. So damn smart. Here we go. God bless.
And now the hook's out, so I'm really in trouble.
Admire your spirit, but it is my intent to take you home, sucker. They have so much explosive power, man.
They can both wriggle forward and backward. They're very adept at backward movement, which most fish are not. They are a handful. See, look, he knows where to go to get out, and he's working. Oh, there you go. Got you now.
Alright. I got her on the pliers. Now all I gotta do is get the stringer inside of her.
Now, I've seen snakehead literally rip their bottom jaw off while on pliers. It's a crazy fish, man.
Me too, dude. Alright. Woo! Alright. God, those fish, man. Yeah.
tell you. It's so explosively powerful.
No, I went to pull the stringer out of the water so I can take a picture of her, and she like went completely airborne, dude. Like an arapaima in the Amazon or something.
But yeah, I'll get better at the picture taking here for Snakehead, but they're tough, man. They're tough to get a solid picture of.
You know? Oh, disgusting. Ah. Oh, God. He shook some of the freaking muck from the bottom into my mouth, dude. Oh. Fish out. Yeah. Yeah, decent one. Chatterbait, yep.
I love those snakehead head shakes. Their head shakes are just so fantastic.
All right. Hey, do you have any fish attractant?
Man, I can't wait to chase these guys in the spring.
You might want to dip it in there. I just applied some fish attractant. That might be what put him over the edge, seeing how reluctant they are to hit today.
I used a Berkeley powerbait fish attractant applied to this chatterbait with a Berkeley Gulp trailer. And the struggle
begins anew. All right, time me, bro. I said time me for how long it takes to get him on the stringer, if I get him on the stringer. The worst part is you got to fight the other one you have on the other ones you have on the stringer at the same time. Gulp, 3-inch mullet. Crap. He threw the hook, man. Now there's nothing between him and escape except for if I can get these pliers on him. Ooh, he almost got it.
Depending on how long you're on the water, it's good to slice their gills. By slicing their gills and bleeding them in the water, it cuts down on how much drama they can create for you while they're on the stringer.
Gotcha.
It's a battle, man. It's a freaking battle.
Alright. Got her by the lip. Get the stringer through her.
So precarious.
And close.
Come on, get it, get it.
Whew. Son of a gun. Yep, it's starting to warm up, man, and they're starting to turn on.
Snakehead do, in my opinion, seem to be a real warm water fish.
Yeah.
I've always had the best luck in the warmer waters here. Yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, it's Eastern Shore, Maryland. Do your own sleuthing, you'll find it. But hey, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, let me know. Have a good one.